Hello everybody, I'm inside a 2012 Toyota Prius. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter for this car. First thing you need to do is open the glove compartment, and in here, oops, there's missing something. It's missing the rod that connects here. It's supposed to be a rod here that hooks up here, so it'll just slip back when you close it. Anyway, it's not here. So anyway, I got this used. We just got it, so we're just changing the air filter right now. I mean the cabin filter. So what you need to do, this one here, you push that in, and the one on the other side too, right here. Push that in, and it will come off. Okay, so this side and so just push that in. Once you remove the rod, this one just missing the rod. Okay, so when I tried to remove the other side, the whole thing fell off. I guess the old owners did a number of job on it. Anyway, here's the area for the cabin filter. Makes it easier to video now. Anyway, here's the cabin filter area. As you can see, it's an F arrow here. On my new filter, there's an F arrow. This is just to simplify how you put it on. If it says up, you put it up. And if you then I'll show you the airflow on this car. See, you just, in order to remove the cover on the right side, there's different types. There's a pin you can push. This one you just pull and slide out. And on this Prius, the airflow is coming from the top going down. And see how dirty the top is on this, and on the bottom it's clean. So the airflow is coming from top to bottom, is going down. And see, it says airflow on it. This one says airflow, and they had it upside down. It should have been put this way. It should have been like this. It should have been pointing down, because the airflow is going down. See the difference? This one says airflow, this one says up. Okay, let me show you by side. Airflow, up arrow. Okay, up, airflow. Just the difference. So so like I said, they had this backwards. The airflow should be it should have been like this. They should have put it like this. This part should have been dirty, and this one should have been cleaner. Oh well. So now this one, since we're gonna follow the sign here that says up, because this says up on here. This doesn't say airflow, it just say up. So up, you put it up, and you get it, put it like this with the thick part on the side. Put it in there, slide that in, and push down. That's pretty much it. And I don't know what happened to the rod that holds the glove compartment here. They did a number on this thing. Anyway, if you want to continue watching this video while I put the thing back, it's up to you. But that's how you change the air filter for this Prius. Alright, so just remember the difference. Airflow and up are different things. If it says airflow on your air filter, you go by the airflow. If it says just up, you follow the direction up. All right, let me put the glove compartment. If you're gonna check out, check out. Thank you for watching. All right, so let me put it back. Alright, I got the glove compartment in. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.